Sections, Vanessa. Sections. Hey girl, hey, I'm Nessa. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today is hashtag use your stash. I've been told that I need to use my stash and stop buying new products. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I recently used this gel on the channel and I absolutely love it. It is the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. And I figured, why not pair it with this mousse right here that I'm still trying to figure out, which is the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam. It's going to be an experiment. I have no idea how that's going to turn out, but we're about to find out together. So if you are interested, keep on watching. But before I get into this, do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see here on the channel. Now let's do it. All right, y'all, so let's jump into this. Let's get this party started, okay? So I've used all those products on the channel already. Any video that I can find, I will have a link for you in the description box, as well as links to those products if you want to get those for yourself. Now, I've never tried this combination before. I don't know what's going to happen, but hopefully it's going to be for the best. I went ahead and I did a little test and I tried mixing all the products together. And it seems like they were meshing well, so hopefully that's going to be still a very good end result even after I dry my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this. I'm actually almost done with this gel right here. I think I've used it twice. Really? Yeah, I think I've used this twice. But I do have another one here. Ta-da! Alikay Naturals did a giveaway on Instagram when they were celebrating their anniversary, and I was one of the winners. So thank you, Alikay Naturals. But let me go ahead and get this party started. Of course, I have my spray bottle filled with water as per usual. Always gotta have that whenever you are working outside of your shower. Okay, let's do this thing. Let us do this thing. My hair is freshly washed, dip condition and everything. So I don't need to do anything to it but to style it right now. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to start by applying the leave-in conditioner to my hair. My hair is detangled as well. And I think today I'm going to use Felicia to make sure that it is properly worked into my hair. Alright, so I'm going to twist that up and just do the same thing all over my hair. Again, you don't need to see all of that. Alright, y'all, so I am all done applying the Not Today, the leave-in onto my hair. So I think what I'm going to do now, I am going to alternate between the mousse and then the gel. So I'm going to do the mousse first. I am going to apply it onto a big section of hair and then work it into my hair. Then I'll break it down and I will apply the gel onto my hair. Listen, this is my first time doing this. Let's cross the fingers and pray for the best, okay? It is time to apply some mousse into this. So I have this amount. Alright, so I think this is well applied onto my hair right now. So we are going to move on and apply the gel. I'm not using too much of the gel. I'm going to work it into the palms of my hands first. And then we're applying it onto the hair now. Alright, do you guys see this? That's the reason why I love this gel so much. Like as soon as you apply it, you see that definition, and the hold is amazing. Alright, we are moving on to the next section. what the hair is looking like right now. I'm actually getting a little nervous because I am questioning myself and wondering if this was a good combination. But we are already invested, okay? I'm gonna keep going. I will meet you at this section right here. So I will see you in just a few YouTube seconds, okay? It has been a long process. And this is exactly the reason why I don't like to do wash and go combinations. I just like to just apply my leave-in, sometimes not even do a leave-in, and just slap the gel onto my hair and get that definition. But I wanted to try something different, and this is all part of me using up my stash and getting rid of products and decide what products are going to go into the new year with me. That's why we're doing this today. So I have this part of my hair left right now. My hair is looking good so far. I'll show you more of it in a few, but I'm going to go ahead and finish this part of my hair and show you again what I'm doing here. So pretty much I've already applied my leave-in conditioner to my hair. So I am going to rehydrate this section right here. Make sure I work the water into that section. And then the next step, the next thing I'm going to do is pretty much apply the mousse. So slippery when wet. All right, so I'm gonna do not too much for this section. I'm gonna use about this amount right here. Yeah, I'm just making sure I am working this into my hair properly. And then now I'm just gonna break it down into smaller sections, Vanessa, sections. Okay, I'm gonna break it down into smaller sections and then start applying the gel. So, and the other thing as well, when it comes to the lemongrass hold it styling gel by Alikay, one thing is if you don't like a very strong hold, if you're using this gel, you may not want to apply it all the way at the roots of your hair, because this gel has such a hold to it that if you have it all the way to the roots of your hair, you're not going to be able to do anything. You won't be able to move your hair around. So if you like to play with your hair, you know, have a little bit more softness to it, definitely keep that in mind if you do use this gel for a wash and go. I don't think I mentioned that when I was doing the first impression, but yeah, after I've used it again, this is definitely one thing that I can say. I will be sure to have the link to that first impression for you guys in the description box and also in the eye. You can check it out. But yeah, so right now I'm working it into my hair. This is so annoying. I'm applying a little bit more to it. That may have been too much. And also, you can rehydrate as well if you see fit. So we are all set. This is what the hair looks like, and off to the dryer we go. I will see you maybe a little bit later or in just a couple of few days so we can see what the hair looks like. Hopefully this was a good combination. No flaking, no product buildup. Crossing the fingers, but I will see you soon. So my hair is about 80% dry right now. I'd like to say I was under the dryer for about an hour and a half, and this is what the hair is looking like. I'm actually really loving what I'm seeing in the mirror, so I'm thinking this combination may have been a good one. So I am going to allow my hair to air dry overnight. I'm probably going to use my handheld dryer because the roots are still pretty wet in certain areas. I don't want to sleep on my hair when it's wet. Usually it turns out a little weird, so I don't want that to happen. I am going to do that, but I will see you in a couple or a few days so we can see what the hair looks like, and we'll conclude this video. So.
Oh.
Alright guys, so this experiment did not work out at all. This was a bad combination. I do not recommend it. 0 out of 10. It's the ghetto over here, okay? As you can see, my hair looks a hot mess, and it's been looking a hot mess since day 2. Today's day 7. I'm getting ready to go wash my hair, but it's been looking so bad that I had no desire to come show you anything, put on some makeup, and kind of look cute, like even, try to force it or anything, because my hair was looking bad. I did not like it. The only reason why I have not rinsed it out yet is because I was feeling lazy because I had other things going on. But this did not work out at all, so I do not recommend trying out this combination. Now, I don't know if it's a situation where the Alikay Naturals, the lemongrass gel, does not work well with other brands, or it just doesn't work well with other products. When I tried it with their leave-in conditioner, the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, it worked out well. I have the video. I'll have it linked for you. Check that out if you want to see how that turned out. I loved my results and I was so in love with it. But this one right here, with this mousse right here, terrible. Don't do it. I also know that they have a mousse in that collection. I wonder if I tried with that mousse if it would work out. But at this point, I'm a little scarred. I don't know if I want to do that, okay? Because my hair has been feeling dry since day 2. And listen, I don't know. Like when I woke up the day after I did my hair, well, the day that I did my hair, I showed you what it was looking like. It looked good. I think it did look good. So I was very hopeful and I thought I had something going on. But when I woke up the next day, I had a big section of hair right here. It's like I did not apply any gel at all to my hair. I was just not understanding at all. And I went ahead and I applied more gel, hoping that it would work out. But that wasn't the case because the day after it was just like a hot mess, all right? I'll see if I can insert some clips for you because I really wasn't feeling like I wanted to come on camera or anything to show you anything. But yeah, if I can insert some clips, I'll go ahead and do that. But that's what happens. You don't always have good hair days. Not every combination is going to work out. And this is the only reason why I'm actually continuing with this whole video, because I considered not even posting it. But I'm like, if I took my time to actually film this whole thing, because it did take time, somebody's gonna see it, and that somebody is going to be you, okay? So it's not only you who has bad hair days. We have bad hair days too. It is what it is. You just keep it pushing, all right? If you've used this gel before, if you've done any type of combinations with this gel before with other products or anything, let me know, because I am highly curious to know if anybody has had any success trying this gel out with other things. So let me know down in the comment section down below. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you did. If you are not yet subscribed and you like my content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Ring the bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I'll have some video suggestions for you on the channel right here on the screen. I have other good wash and go combinations, so make sure you check those out. Thank you again for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in my next one.